We frequently need to know when a bag started at a specific time will be completely infused. It's important for the technician because, again, we need to be sure that that next bag of fluids is available for the patient when needed. So not only do we need to know how long that bag is going to take to infuse, we need to be able to calculate what time that will occur at. So, for example, a 1 liter bag of D5W is to be run at 100 milliliters per hour. The bag is started at 8 a.m. What time will the bag finish? We've already made this calculation before using the fact that 1 liter is 1,000 milliliters. Again, we can't be mixing units. You can't take 1 liter and divide that by 100 milliliters per hour. So we have to convert that 1 liter into 1,000 milliliters, which we divide by our 100 milliliters per hour to determine that this bag is going to last for 10 hours. So once we know that the bag is going to last for 10 hours, we count forward beginning at that start time, which the example told us was 8 a.m. So counting forward 10 hours from 8 a.m., we know that that bag would finish at 6 p.m. or 1800 hours in military time. So you may want to pause here and work these examples, and then I will give you the answers. Okay, so the examples here, we're infusing 1500 milliliters of D5W with 30 milliequivalents of potassium chloride at 75 milliliters per hour. So we have our 1500 milliliters over our 75 milliliters per hour. And again, in this example, the fact that there are 30 milliequivalents of potassium chloride is really irrelevant. Okay, so when we take our 1500 and divide that by 75, we determine that this bag should last for 20 hours. And the bag started at noon. So if we're starting at noon, the bag, if we count forward 20 hours, the bag will finish the next day. So we're going to say on day 2, at 8 a.m. Or that would be the same as 0800 hours. Okay, our next example, we're taking 750 milliliters and infusing that of half-strength normal saline at 50 milliliters per hour. So we're going to take our 750 divided by 50, and we're going to determine that this bag will last for 15 hours. So the problem also tells us that the infusion started at 10 a.m. So we're going to begin at 10 a.m. and count forward 15 hours. So again, we're going to be moving to day 2, and that bag should finish on day 2 at 1 a.m. And in our final example, we are infusing 500 milliliters per hour we're infusing 500 milliliters at 125 milliliters per hour. And so we are going to determine then that this bag is going to last for 4 hours. And we know that the infusion started at 4:15. So counting forward 4 hours, we're going to determine this is going to finish at 8:15 p.m. And what would that be in military time? Again, you have to add the 12 hours from the beginning of the day to that, so the ending time would be 20:15 in military time.